Hi, in this video, I will show you how to edit and correct the colors in outdoor photo. Open your photo in Lightroom and follow the steps. Let's start the editing. First go to Profiles and select Modern 8. Next go to Light. Set exposure to 0.60 and contrast to +10. Highlights to -58. Shadows +48. Whites -44. Black to +34. And next go to Curve. Just follow the steps. If you like my channel, then hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Next go to Color and set Temp to +10, Tint to +1, Vibrance -16, Saturation to +13. And then go to Color Mix. Choose the red color. Set Hue to -1. Saturation to +14. Luminance to +48. Next, orange color. Set saturation to -32. Luminance to +29. Go to yellow color. Set Hue to -29. Saturation -100. Luminance +72. Green color. Hue to -92. Saturation +81. Luminance +96. Go to Cyan. Hue +2. Saturation +85. Luminance +26. And then go to blue. Hue to -18. Saturation +84. And luminance +100. Go to magenta. Hue to +86. Saturation -100. And next go to Effects. Texture to -8. And Clarity to -12. Dehaze +29. Vignette -27. Midpoint to 9. Feather +97. Roundness to +53. Highlights +13. And next go to Split Tone. And highlight set H54 and S10. And shadow set H194 and S12.